Welcome back everyone to Weekend Watercolour, and today is a Valentine's Day special. Today we are going to be painting love hearts in different sizes and different colours. You could paint this on a sheet of loose watercolour paper, you could paint it in your sketchbook, but also if you are looking to get a card for someone special, you could also paint this on a folded over sheet of watercolour paper, card or thick cartridge paper and make a card for someone special. So let's get into the relaxation painting session. So for Weekend Watercolour this week, I'm going to be using this Winsor & Newton Cotman palette because it has several shades of red, pink and purple. I'm also going to be using this DigiHealth pen, brush pen, which is really good because I can get precise lines for the love hearts. I could use a watercolour brush, but I just want to get a crisp line for my love hearts. And I'm also using my regular sketchbook. If you want more information on the resources that I've used in today's clip, then please look in the description below. So I'm going to start by drawing my outline, and then what I will do is I will get a little bit more paint and I will add that to the left hand side of my love heart. You could do the right hand side, but I'm choosing the left hand side, and with that I will use that for all of my other love hearts because I want to create an impression of tone and light source, but that's something that you can choose to do or not choose to do. And then what I will do once I've done that is I will add some water, and the reason is I want to create an illusion of tone and use the water to create a 3D effect. Now you could make yours solid, that's fine. I just want to create that kind of watercolor effect to my love heart, and what I'm doing is I'm dragging that around the outline just to drag some more paint into my love heart, and you will see it's starting to mix with that outline to create some paint. As I said, you might want to make yours solid. You might even want to just paint an outline to get some difference in between your love hearts. This is all about what you want to do, because it's all about not having a plan, doing something free form and just doing something different in your sketchbook. It's more like a doodle really. So now I'm moving on and experimenting with all the different colours, different sizes, and as I say, with this I like not to have a plan, just to do something different, and it's a form of relaxation. That's why it's good not to have a plan. So I'm going through and doing lots of different colours. As I said, I'd like to have the watery effect because it just makes it look a bit more washed out and a bit more what I call distressed. I like that look. But as I said, if you want them to be bright and vibrant, then obviously drag in more of the paint. So I'm now going to stop talking for a moment. I think there may be one in a moment that's two colours, where I've blended two colours in the paint. And that's just simply adding a colour on one side, then adding a colour on the other side, and then what you do is you mix it in the middle. That's fairly straightforward. I would always start by adding the lightest colour, so mixing from the lightest side first, and then that makes it a lot easier and cleaner. But other than that, they will all be very straightforward as you go along. If you enjoyed this clip, then make sure you check out more clips like this in the watercolour or relaxing watercolour playlist. Don't forget to look in the description below for details of products used in today's clip. And if you have any ideas for content or questions, leave a comment below. Finally, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of future content.